Relationships are really important in our lives, but we don't always think about them. We don't treat them as things that will be in our lives that linger longer. The damage that we do to our relationships today, it will stay. Some people treat their relationships like a fast food outlet like McDonald's. They rush in, grab a bite, and rush off again. In today's lecture, we're going to look at how do you get help for the people around you? How do you get them to be empowered to ask help for themselves? Enjoy the lecture.